Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So we'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here. If you open, guys, the hood on your Ford F-150, right under the hood, you will have your car battery right here. And behind the car battery, you have one fuse box that you need to open. That's the cover. Once you open that fuse box, you're going to see, guys, fuse layout just like that, okay? And you will be on this side. This will be towards the windshield side. Now, before we continue, let us, guys, explain why it's important to test fuses and realize that way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So we can see you have different kinds of fuses, right, guys? You have the all kinds of different fuses. Relays, if you're in the middle of nowhere or a small town, you may not be able to find a spare, or they could be really expensive. I recommend to keep some spares in your glove box, that way for peace of mind you won't be stuck in the middle of nowhere. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping for your convenience. So right here we have, guys, that fuse panel, and in that fuse panel right here, if you can see, in that row we're going to come. If you come and start from the bottom, we'll count fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4. That 15M fuse is the one for the FCIM module. This is the front dash controls switches, guys, there. Now you have another fuse box that's located inside your Ford F-150, and it's in the kick panel on the passenger side in the footwell. That kick panel, you open the cover and you will see a fuse box that will look okay just like that. Those are the fuses. Now let's explain, guys, okay, which fuse you will need to check here. You have one more fuse that you will need to check specifically, and here, guys, okay, they go in different order. So you see it starts like 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then they go like that: 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. But it's a double fuse. You need to replace the whole fuse. That fuse number 13, guys, but it's actually fuse number 12, but you need to replace it together with the other one. You need to check that one as well. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.